Have you ever felt that your Shopify image library is an absolute mess? Well, don't worry because you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually clean up that mess. And I'm also going to include a crucial tip for you before you start deleting anything. So without further ado, let's get into this. So the very first thing you do, you need to go to your Shopify admin and then click on the left-hand side here where it says content. Click on that icon just there. And then click on files, which is just below the meta objects. And what this does is gives you a full list of all the files, all the images, all the GIFs, anything you've loaded in Shopify. It gives you a nice little list of that. So to actually delete one of the images, it's actually quite simple. The only thing you really need to do is just click in the image that you want to delete. And when you actually select this box, it shows you that you can actually delete it. And to delete the file, you just click on delete file, and then click on delete just there. So that has been completely deleted from the folder. Now, if you wanted to delete more than one at a time, all you would need to do is just select the ones you want to delete and then do exactly the same thing. Just click on this delete files button. Now, I do have one tip for you, and this one is really important. Be very careful before you delete an image. Let me just show you. If you look on the right-hand side here, you can see the images that are related to different products, okay? Now, if your image had more than one product on here, if you think about it, if you delete it, it's going to be deleting it from multiple products. So just remember, don't delete anything if it's got more than one product in this reference column. And again, I'll just show you how to delete multiple images. We'll just delete two, but you can delete as many as you want. You can delete all the images if you really want to, but in this one, I'm just going to show you how to delete two of them. And delete two of the messages, all you need to do is click on the one image there, the next image. If you wanted to delete multiple images, you just basically tick these checkboxes. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to delete these two images. Click on delete files on the right hand side here. And what's nice about Shopify here, it gives you a little alert to say this can't be undone. The files will be moved from all places they're being used in your Shopify store. And that's the reason why I said you need to be really careful what you do here. The fact that these are just ones that I uploaded just randomly just a minute ago, it doesn't matter. But you really do need to check whether they're being used with other products. The fact that they aren't, I can go ahead and click on delete. Okay, so I had one product which I deleted once, and then I had two products which I deleted simultaneously. Now, one of the guys in my forum actually asked me, is deleting images a problem for your products? And it absolutely is, and it will affect your SEO as well. If you delete the wrong images, especially images that have been there a while and you didn't want to delete them, you've actually got to upload new images, and that will affect your SEO, your search engine optimization in the long run. So the one thing I will say, guys, is a clean library. If you can delete items that shouldn't be in there, it keeps your store nice, neat, and efficient. And you'll find that your store will actually perform better the less images you have in there, basically the ones you don't need. So guys, if you want to dive deeper into Shopify optimization, you really want to join my free school community called the Ecom Network. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.